In this episode, we're going to learn when to use a capital letter. We use capital and lowercase letters when we write. Yet, when do we use capital letters? We use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence. This means the first letter in the sentence is a capital letter. For example, in this sentence, the cat is on the rug. The letter T is capitalized because it is in the beginning of a sentence. We also use capital letters for names and proper nouns. A proper noun is a noun that names a specific person, animal, place, thing, or idea. Names such as Roy, Ted, and Rebecca are examples of proper nouns. Notice how the first letter is capitalized? That's because they are names. Names of places, such as Washington, D.C., are capitalized because they're the name of a place. We also capitalize days, months, and holidays. So days of the week, like Monday, months of the year, like January, and holidays, like Halloween, are all capitalized. When I is by itself, it is also capitalized, like in this sentence, I like ice cream. The I is capitalized. Finally, you need to make sure that you capitalize titles, like Doctor, Mr., Mrs., and Miss. Now that we know about capital letters, let's see if you can tell what words need to be capitalized in these sentences. The coach's name is Ted. What needs to be capitalized? What do you think? You're right. The T in the and the T in Ted need to be capitalized. I like January. What needs to be capitalized? What do you think? You're right. The I and the J in January need to be capitalized. I hope you like this lesson on when to capitalize words. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store for more lessons.